Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And I know I look completely different. I completely shaved off the beard. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I know I probably look about 15 years younger, but that always isn't a bad thing. So today we're going to talk about how to make money online the fastest and the quickest way. I'm going to give you some lessons that I've learned over the past 6 years of being an affiliate marketer selling other people's products. For those of you guys that don't know what I do, mostly I sell digital products online, get paid very, very well for doing it. I sell my own products, I sell other people's products, and that's what this channel is all about, helping you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, fulfillment. So if you're looking forward to the content, give me a like once again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get into this. So what is one gold nugget that I can give to you in this video that will help you break through and help you make money in the fastest way possible? It is simply to learn a skill set, not a business model, but a skill set, right? So if you're a point guard in the game of basketball, you learn how to be a really good point guard. You learn the skill set of being a point guard so you can go into basketball and dominate the game as a whole. So when it comes to online marketing, so many people are joining the latest and greatest MLM opportunity. They're joining a drop shipping business, an e-commerce business. They're joining affiliate marketing. Maybe they're doing real estate. Maybe they're trading stocks or they're trading the Forex markets. Maybe they're doing some sort of Bitcoin. What you need to do is, instead of trying to learn the business model, you need to learn the skill set behind the business model. So instead of just going into e-commerce and wasting your money just trying to figure out e-commerce and how the business runs, spend money learning Facebook ads, because you know without traffic, you can't create customers. And if you can't create customers and leads, then you can't make sales. So, when it comes to e-commerce, learning how to drive traffic. Same with affiliate marketing, learning how to drive traffic, learning how to generate leads. And when I first got started, I was doing a million different things at once until I learned this one lesson, and that was to master one traffic strategy. So I decided to master SEO, which is search engine optimization. In other words, it was simply ranking websites at the top, or even blog posts at the top of Google search engine. So when somebody would type in a search phrase, my website would show up at the top. They would then click on my website and then potentially opt into my list, fill out their name and email address, or even buy one of my products. And that's where I would earn a commission, or AKA if it was actually somebody else's product that I was promoting, I would earn a commission off of their product, and then obviously make money by monetizing the website with my products as well. So when you can learn the game of, when it comes to affiliate marketing, my niche specifically, driving traffic, you can get customers on demand. And when you learn SEO, you can also, rank businesses for, specific terms. Like if they're a chiropractor and this business lives in, maybe it's New Hampshire, and you're ranked for best chiropractor New Hampshire at the top of Google, you're able to just put their website at the top. So when somebody goes to that website and they apply for a free consultation, the business owner makes money and then you make money. So having the skill set of driving traffic can work in many different directions, many different niches, many different ways, not just the affiliate marketing niche, but if you're helping small businesses as a consultant, if you are doing e-commerce, this trade can pay you very handsomely across different markets. Hey, if somebody's a real estate agent and they need more clients in San Diego, California, and you can rank a house listing at the top of Google for, beautiful houses in Southern California or beautiful houses in San Diego, California, again, you're going to make money, and you're also going to make money for that real estate agent. So it's super crucial not to focus on being a network marketer and learning network marketing and joining some network marketing company, right? The skill set behind that is to recruit people. When you recruit people in a downline, then you make money. And to recruit people, you need to market. And to be able to market, you need traffic, you need eyeballs. So mastering the skill set of traffic generation. And SEO, I'm just using an example. You could be doing, again, Facebook ads. You could be doing posting in classified ads, Craigslist. You could be an expert at that. You could be an expert media buyer where you buy up different sections of websites and then be the broker maybe for somebody that's looking to get more traffic. I mean, just being an expert at one specific trade and skill set is the deal here. It's not learning how the game of football is played. It's learning how to be the quarterback in the game of football and being a master of that. It's not trying to be, the best person that is kind of the jack of all trades, learning one thing one week and then another thing the next week. So to sum it up, I've said it pretty much over and over and over again in this video, is to become a master of the skill set and not the opportunity. Yes, once you learn the skill set, you want to learn how the actual game is played, right? Learn how to be a quarterback, learn how to run plays, but then you need to know how the defense is working. You need to know how the offense runs. You need to know a lot of other things that are going on besides just knowing what receiver is going to run which route. You have to learn other parts of the game. So wanted to give you this quick tip for today. I hope you take this and you use it and you don't get overwhelmed any longer from all the shiny objects that are out there, because it's you jumping from one shiny object to another shiny object that's keeping you from finally breaking through and having success. You keep following the smoke and the mirrors, and you need to start looking at what marketers are actually doing to market to you. It's a completely different way of looking at things. Look at what the most successful people in your industry are doing and simply model them. I guarantee that they've mastered a skill set and they aren't trying to do everything and anything. They know what their strengths and weaknesses are. And if you have no idea what those are and you feel like you're weak at everything, then look at try and find what your biggest strength is in your weaknesses and build that up and become 90% good at that. And you can outsource and hire good people around you that can take care of the stuff that you're not good at. So master the skill set and everything will work out. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, please let me know below, comment below, and let me know that you got value from this. What other topics would you like me to cover in this channel? Would love to know. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to build an online business from complete scratch, you want to learn affiliate marketing specifically, and know how to go from nothing to making a consistent $10,000 plus per month, working online part-time, check out the links below in the resources section, and we will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.